Okay, usually I don't do two videos like back to back. Well, sometimes I do. But also did after the contenders. Also did three of the prisms. So just a couple base cards I thought were pretty decent. Andrew Luck, Russell Wilson. One of the prisms that was fairly decent. Let's see here. Nick Foles. One of the autos, Brian Quick. Autos were kind of eh. Joe Adams, number to 250. The Quick was number to 299. Harrison Smith, number to 199. And then a couple of the veterans. So this one, Prizm, D'Angelo Williams, number to 3. Yeah, not too bad. Kind of alright. And then this one for Michael Finley, pretty decent, number to 49. There you go. And then Stephen Gilmore, red. CJ Spiller, red. Eddie Royal, red. And then another redemption for Kendall Wright. That's it. And then there was just a bunch of various, rookies and variation cards, things like that. Still no golds, no blacks. Like 6 boxes in. So, but I've done different cases. So, all right, it is what it is. You guys have a good one.